Hi, I'm Rachel. I've been working with Kara in the Balance Your Gut program, and I've gotten so much out of it. My biggest challenges, the reason why I got in touch with her, were because I was having issues with uh, kind of inconsistency with my health. I'd feel like I'm doing really well for a while, and then I'd have a setback. Either something I ate bothered me, or something disturbed my sleep, and it would just throw me off balance. And I wanted to get to a point where I could understand better what was causing this to happen and how to address these issues so that I could have resiliency to my health. The main things that I was struggling with were fatigue and not sleeping well, and having some digestive disturbances from certain foods that I ate. I definitely enjoyed my one-on-one meetings with Kara because basically was so dedicated to my individual case that she would research what was going on with me from my feedback and also from the testing that I had done with her. And then she would try to troubleshoot what was going on with me in the moment and also look at my history. And that way we were able to identify the most important things to focus on. She gave me recommendations for supplements to take and also how long to take them. A lot of times I would just quit taking supplements because I didn't know what they were for or how long I was supposed to take them. And she's just really, really specific about that. What is possible for me now that wasn't possible for me before working with Kara is that I'm sleeping way better. And I didn't realize what a huge impact that was having on my health and on my life. We were able to identify some issues that I never knew to look at that were affecting my sleep. That has made probably the biggest impact on my health. And so I'm able to get through my days and feel better because of getting better sleep. If you are the type of person that is wanting to find out about the root cause of your health problems, that's wanting to work one-on-one with somebody that really knows your individual case and cares about you and is dedicated to finding out how to help you. And if you, um, basically are wanting to put the work in that is required to change your health, I would definitely work with Kara. I also think that one of the best things about working with Kara, she emphasizes about how you don't need to do everything perfectly. So you need to find a balance and you need to make progress. But if you worry about perfection and doing everything 100%, you might put so much stress on yourself and get out of whack in other ways that it's counterproductive. I tend to want to do everything more perfectly, but it's not really sustainable. And so taking that pressure off has actually made me healthier person and helps me to stay on track more because I know that I am doing a lot of things right and I can just keep layering on top of that.